Just a quick note before I start the review on this item, I wanted to mention that I'm not a water quality expert or a scientist, so this is just an everyday person's take on how this water filtration system works. Also, I wanted to mention that at the making of this video, it has SGS certifications, but not any other certifications, although it does claim to remove over 1,000 impurities, so I just wanted to mention that before this starts. This is a reverse osmosis countertop water filtration system, and it comes with everything that you need. It has 2 pitchers, so you have one extra one, and it's really easy to set up. The longest part is just you have to flush the water tank twice when you have new filters. But other than that, it's really quick and easy. You can wash the pitchers and the water reservoir whenever needed. And the pitcher lids have this part that comes off for when you might want to do a thorough cleaning. You can just slide that off and wash the inner parts and then snap it back in. Just be sure that the tabs are all the way in so that it's in properly. And then it's good to go again. And the water reservoir has a lid and a handle, and it holds 170 ounces of water. Has a maximum fill line there, just be sure not to go above that. And it has some removable parts inside for when you might want to do a thorough cleaning. So those just pop off, and then they're easy to put back in. And the filters are inside here. The lid just lifts off, and there's the instructions and also what buttons to press to reset the filter life sensors so that the machine keeps track of that for you. And the PPC filter, just twist it to unlock and then pull straight up, and it's supposed to last 6 to 12 months. One negative thing about this system that I wanted to mention is that pretty much everything is plastic, which I don't like. So I'm going to keep looking for plastic-free or minimal plastic options, but I did want to try this system for the reverse osmosis. Super easy to change out. Just take the old one out and then put the new one in, and be sure and slide it all the way over to the lock position. And the same with the reverse osmosis filter. It's supposed to last 24 months. And the sensors on the front of the machine let you know when to change them. And then just put the lid back on and good to go again. And it also comes with a 6-month carbon filter that goes in the pitcher, and that's not necessary to use. That's just for flavor, to enhance the flavor of the water, but it tastes good either way, so I probably won't replace that one. And it has a little tray there. Just plug it in. All the information there is on the front of the screen. That red light flashes when you need to fill the water reservoir. You can fill it in the sink and then just carry it over and place it on the machine. And then it will start filling automatically when the pitcher is on. And it takes about 5 or 6 minutes to entirely fill the pitcher, so not too long. And it shows you there the raw water TDS and the filtered amount. And then you can also fill a glass by just pressing the dispense water button and then touching it again to turn it off, and it takes water out of the pitcher. And you can also choose 8 ounce, 12 ounce, or 16 ounce autofill. And then when it finishes filling the cup, it will refill the pitcher from the water reservoir automatically. Then you can pause it from filling the pitcher if you want for any reason, and then just press the button again to unpause it. The pitcher pours really nicely, so you can also fill cups from the pitcher if you want. And that's what it looks like in the dark with just the dispense water light that stays on. You can also look in the description and pinned comment for some more information, and I hope this review was helpful. Thank you for watching.